This is Stevia here doing a video for my Home Depot review of the Dyna-Glo 4-burner premium gas grill with side burner. This is a propane grill. It's the model number for the black one there. I'll put that in the comments. But anyway, just going to do a quick overview and demonstration of the grill, and then at the end I'll have a clip of me cooking some chicken on it. So overall, I really like this grill. It's got a ton of room on it to cook. Cooks pretty evenly. On here, you can I'll kind of get into the cooking in a little bit, but I like the 4-burner because I have room for, you know, veggies here. I can cook meat here. My old three burner, if I had a veggie tray on it, it took up like 2/3 of the grill, so you got a lot of space here. I'll shoot into some of the features here. I'll actually start down at the bottom. Grills on caster wheels. I think they're about 3.5 inches. I thought they'd be smaller, but they're actually a nice size. So you could, in theory, roll these across your lawn if you don't have a patio, or depending where you grill. Underneath, got some tank storage here. Not enough room for another tank, but you can put some tools and stuff in there. This is actually the first grill I've had with the actual little tank lock down there to hold it down, which is a good safety feature. Okay, close that up. All right, so it's got a side burner on it, which is good for beans, corn. If you're doing Italian sausage, you can saute peppers and onions there, things of that sort. If you don't need it though, just close it up. You got more space. Hooks here for hanging tools. And if you ever wonder what this is a match starter. If your little spark starter breaks, this is for sticking a match into the grill to start it. So got that hooked up down there. So the burners are 12,000 BTU each, and each burner has its own starter on it. You just kind of turn it slow and it kick starts it on. So overall, burners work well, and the side burner here has the same thing. All right, I'll flip the grill around to the back, show you one of my favorite features. I gotta get it over the deck. Okay. Little grease pan here, or grease bowl. Does a really great job of collecting the grease. This is one of my favorite features of the grill here. This whole pan comes out. So you can just take this out and clean it. You don't have to reach in and scrape and wipe. You can just take the whole pan out and clean it. As you can see, it's sloped very well for collecting. So really great feature there. Okay, close that up. Roll the grill back around. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn it on. Another direction say to leave the lid open. I like doing lid closed. I haven't had issues with that. So do a nice slow turn. Okay, that burner just fired up. Usually it takes the first or second try to get these. I find if I just go nice and slow and let the propane build up a little bit, it works on the first try every time. So this grill's already a little warm. Let's make sure I got that one. There we go. This grill's already a little warm. So right now we're at 250. See how fast it warms up. All right. The side burner takes a little work to get lit. This might take me up to 5 tries. Do nice and slow. And got it on the first try there, so that's nice. So side burner works really well, and I think I covered this is 12,000 BTU. Each of these burners is 12,002 for a total of 60. All right, I'll turn the side burner off. So that works great. If you have any spillage here, it goes through the holes and potentially on your deck or patio. So, all right, so our grill's up over 400 already. When warming this up, my old 3-burner, I just turned all 3 burners on. I'd hit my 450 or wherever I wanted to be. And then I turn one of the burners off and it would kind of stabilize quick. This grill, you can see I'm touching the lid right now. It's not very hot. It gets hot right around here though. This has an insulated lid, so this holds the heat in well. So it takes a little getting used to. I'll turn all the burners off right now. This holds and heat well, so when I warm it up I have to be a little more careful. It just takes a little getting used to. So anyway, so how it heats, cooking is very equal from front to back. I find it gets a little cool here, and if I'm using these 2 burners and I have something here, it gets a little cool here too. A lot of great space. I think they said 23 hamburgers you can cook on here. This up here, this top kind of grate is great for, you know, hot dog and hamburger buns and things of that sort. The only problem I notice is, and you can see how big this grate is, it's pretty deep. If you got something back here, it's very hard to flip a hamburger with this grate. It gets pretty tricky. You can take the grate out. It's removable, but it gets a little tricky. So these are cast iron grates. I season mine with grapeseed oil. You can look up on the internet how to do that, but it keeps them from rusting and food sticking to them. And it works out great in that regard. So overall, got a lot of room in there. The heat is pretty equal, and I enjoy grilling on it. Anyway, this concludes my video. I hope it helped inform your purchasing decision. And right after this is just a quick clip of me cooking some chicken. There we go. Great distribution of heat. Cooks very well. Right on the grill. It's about 450, 2 burners on one.